I'm good for now. We're having like a couple of minor twitches. Yes, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Rel, did you want to play? Or did you say yes? Ray. I don't mind a little twitching. Okay, hand me. This one. Okay. Let me know when. Okay. I'll make the first burger with only one of each thing, so that way it shows if it gets stinky. And then I'll do it silly style. Okay. Whoops. Injured, are you able to make sure that this cable doesn't come undone? Okay. Babysit the cable. Whoops. Here, I am wrapped around in it. Me? Oh, okay. Whoops, sorry. Gotta throw out that burger. Cool. Grabbing new burger. Starting over. Whoops. Cable is wrapped around me. Sorry. Cool. Oh, my stinky burger. Goodbye, stinky burger. Another one. Oop, that's a soda. Did I already get... Look at this one. Oh, I do. I see. Whoops. Excuse me, burger. Burger, boiling burger. Burger. Aha! Burger. Ooh. My bread is standing straight up. I'll get a new bread, that's okay. Good catch, me. Burger. Burger. Toil and... Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Try this. Where did my burger just go? Did I just throw out my burger? Yes, that was what went bad. Okay, I thought it was the bread. I make 2 burger now. They went bad too. Oh, my good burger. Okay, I'm just gonna have 3 backup burgers. Whoops. Table. Okay. And my bread. My bread. Thank you. Oh, okay. That's okay. Okay, we're just gonna... That's okay. That's okay. Oh. That's okay. We put a little cheese on it. We We put a little tomato, put a little lettuce, put a little bun on top. Beautiful. We put, here you go, mister. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Cable. Okay, burger patty and a soda from the fridge. Set you there. Is that a top? That's a bottom bun. Ooh. Top bun. That was a freaky sound you just made. Thank you for dropping in. I'll wait till this one comes in so we watch him. Yeah. Okay. Hamburger with everything except the lettuce. And the other with everything except the cheese and tomato. Okay. Gonna grab my buns. Move them over here. Got plate number 1. We got plate number 2. We got bun number 1. We got bun number 2. Okay. Excuse me. Cool. We got 2 burger. Okay. Deal. Oh, my stinky burger. And my flying burger. Okay, guess I gotta throw you in the trash, burger. Who's to say? 1 burger with everything except the lettuce, except cheese and tomato. Okay, you're gonna be the cheese and tomato one, with no lettuce. And you, plate, are going to be the other one. Gotta get 1 more top bun. Burger. 1 burger with everything except the lettuce. Okay, you get the top. Okay. And then 1 except no cheese and tomato. Just lettuce. Boop. I grab you. For you, my customer. Whoop, 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 whoop. Uh-oh. Okay. 1 moment. I'll set this next one on fire. Okay. I will not set this next one. Oh, I can set this next one on fire while I'm getting the soda. One for you, 1 for me. Throw it on the grill. For you. Oh. 1 more for you. Please don't go bad on me. Oh yeah, they're calling this the best burger ever. First try, baby. Stay there. He looks perfect now. Okay. Lettuce. They're calling it the vertisalad. This 1, 2, 3, 4. I need one more. Perfect. Oh, it's blinking to gray, but I'm ignoring it. Easy. As long as you have a hand on the cable to make sure it doesn't fall out. Cool. Sounds good. Oops. For you, my friend, a burger. Oh no! Stinky cheese! I said my stinky burgers. We hadn't had a stinky burger go stinky because I had everything set out already. None of that fancy shit. Throw it at you again. Get out of here. I love throwing things at my customers. Please don't go bad. Coming right up. Oop. Oh no. Here you go. Two sodas. Bing, bing. And a third soda for you, my friend. Something sounds like it's squelching. Two burger coming right up. Make one at a time. Oop. I need another piece of cheese. For you. There's a 1. Let's see. Let's make 2 just for the fun of it. I'll let the other one burn. My accidental burger burn. Okay. Ah, that'll do it. I think that cheese just went bad. Nope, it didn't. I did get fancy squelched. What just squelched? Oh. I'll make 2 burger. Oh. Thank you. Oops. Oh. Come on. There we go. My magic burger. They're calling it the best ever. Best #burger ever. Please don't squelch. Oh yeah. Forgot my burger went bad. Thank you. Yay! Woohoo! No problem. Oh, what fun. I want to make another burger.